Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to duplicate the project in CapCut PC. So I'm going to close this interface board and appears like this. Yeah, to duplicate the project, you can select the project and you can find three dots. Just click on it and select duplicate. So is um so this is quite useful if at any time your files are deleted or lost, then you don't need to worry because there is a backup. Right, so it's super simple. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.